Sabi ni Raymond, but they can motu proprio dismiss the case for lack of jurisdiction or they still have to vote on it. The judges must vote as a single court. So they will vote on it. Whatever motion is filed before them. Can they motu proprio dismiss the case? It will depend. What is their basis? There has to always be a basis. So, since binigyan nila ng pagkakataon na i-certify ng House yung articles of impeachment and that the proceedings had been conducted in accordance with the requirements of the Constitution, the Senate can evaluate that. But in order to evaluate it, they could seek the opinion or the comment of the defense. After that is submitted, the Senate can then decide if they have jurisdiction or redecide if they have jurisdiction. Sabi ni Matthew, unexplained wealth di umano daw po ang tinitignan ng mga salot sa lipunan gaya ng ginawa kay Corona. But kung gaya ng ginawa kay Corona, that failed. That case failed, di ba? Because it couldn't stand up in court. Eh, sinong nagmukhang tanga? Ay, sorry. Okay, wait lang. Okay. So, one of the articles of impeachment, number 4, is amassing unexplained wealth and failing to disclose all her property and interests in properties in her statement of assets and liabilities, assets and net worth. Assets, liabilities, and net worth, mali pa yung pagkasabi. In violation of Section 17, Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution. Now, this is where former Senator Trillanes, never mayor, is interested in. So, unfortunately, since hindi naman siya bihasa sa batas, akala niya by the simple matter of charging a person with amassing unexplained wealth, automatic that the impeachment court will issue a warrant for the banks to open up accounts. There has to be more than that. Sabi ni Yong, I'm just looking something para makaganti sa pinag... Oh, I understand how you feel. Sabi ni Tin, may possibility ba na ang next HOR committees will do the same as the balahurang congressmen during investigation? Well, if it's the same people, I'm sure they will try. Sabi ni Abner, who is the better lawyer between Sig? It's Siegfried, so Sig. Fortune and Raymond Fortune. I don't think this is a fair question. Wag naman po, baka merong namang magdamdam sa kanila. I know both of them. Albrick says, yung 7 articles po ba ng impeachment ay paghahatian ng 16 lawyers once mag-start? I really don't know. Pwede. It's possible. Yung iba ganon, nag-a-assign sila 1 lawyer per charge. Sabi ni Ted, so kung meron pang ibang firms, madami pala talaga. But that doesn't mean that they can all stand up at the same time. Hindi pwede. Pag naguluhan ng court, they will ask only 1 lawyer at a time na tumayo. Sabi ni John Junex Alcala, kamusta? Andito lang kami and I just got back from Davao. Soon B will be out. Can't wait. Sabi ni Ma'am Merced, ikaw ang i-vote namin sa 28. Uy, di ko pa alam po kung tatakbo ako. Bakit po kaya walang Carpio na lawyers? Kasi wala na po yung Carpio Villarasa na law firm that broke up into 3 different firms. And I understand Justice Carpio is retired from practicing, I think. Yeah. I mean, ganito ha, Justice Carpio is actually a very good lawyer. Okay? We just do not agree politically. He has taken a position that is direct, well, in many instances, against our politics. So you might not like him. Pero as a lawyer and when he was justice, magaling siya. Magaling din siya. Sabi ni Tej, ex-Dilian, libre for exposure, hatak clients. I'm afraid not only does that not matter for two Narvasa because they're too rich. Okay? Hindi sila ganyan. And very few lawyers will actually agree to that. Sa totoo lang. You pay peanuts, you get monkeys. Telling you. I'm not in favor of libre for exposure anything. Kasi, people do that to artists a lot. And yes, some people try to do that with lawyers saying na, pag nanalo naman, hahatian naman kita sa kita or sa sa damages or whatever. That, most lawyers don't really agree to that. Not necessarily, no. Parang ang lumalabas kasi is that you're going to do it because you want the exposure. It means you need the exposure, kaya hindi ka magpapabayad, ganun. It's very rare, really. Lawyers have to eat. And look at what you have to put up with. 7 impeachment charges. Ang dami niyan. Aaralin mo lahat yan, and you have to be prepared to be going up to the Supreme Court every so often. Sabi ni Raymond, what is ULAS? But we do pro bono because, ULAS. Well, it's required, yes. Pero alam niyo naman yon. Yeah, of course, it's required. We have to have a certain percentage na pro bono talaga. Pag bagong abogado ka nga, ganado ka kahit pro bono eh. And ako, I still do that. I still do pro bono work. But yung undertake an entire impeachment defense na matutuyuan ka. But yeah, there are lawyers who can afford to do the pro bono work like that. Yeah. Sayang, gusto ko sana mapanood si Titong Mendoza. See if you can dig up yung impeachment ni Erap. President Erap. Sabi ni Ma'am Patty, sabi nito ang AKOP, kailangan talagang pagtuunan ng pansin ng Senate Impeachment Court ang mga ebidensya na kinalap nila. Mabubulabog daw ang mga senador. Wala namang sinasabi ang mga senador na hindi nila papansinin yan. But they have to abide by the process. So, well, tama si Raymond. We have to. We do pro bono because we have to. Pero para sa akin, ano na rin yun? Si Attorney Ahmed ba yun? Ano yung... Si Attorney Ahmed ba yun? Sabi ni John, I can only imagine kung gaano kahirap maging lawyer. Hindi. Well, ayan yung sumagot. Sabi ni